analysis for the ERP products for the East Zone to Bihar and Jharkhand. This survey considers some of the major ERP vendors in Bihar and Jharkhand. The main reason for this survey is to get proper details of the ERP players. This survey is based on the product strength, pricing, manpower and client list. For a proper understanding of the current trends in the software domain in education sector. Major ERP companies in my region is NIIT with a product name Quick School. It's a Gurgaon based company. It's an Extramark school management software. It's a Noida based company, and Computer Aids, a local vendor with some of the prominent schools in that region. And Jointeka, it's a Mathura based company with a product name Guru Seva. And Antep, it's a campus care product. NIIT is one of the major player in the IT sector, as we know, and Quick School is a very time-tested product. Their main concern is the product is very good, but their main issue is implementation and the service part. In service part, lots of complaints are there, but their product is really very good. It's a snapshot of the NIIT Quick School website. They are having different models. One is a license model, which it's an upfront model. It's based on case to case. So as per the school requirement, it prices ranges from 1 lakh to 3 lakhs, which may be 4 lakhs upfront. And a cloud based, it's a PSPM model. So they are having both the models, online and offline. In license model, AMC is free for first year. Server and system software, the hardware is need to be produced by the schools. Server and database, as we commit also that your database is saved on the cloud, but they put the database in a local system in the school, if the school wants. And they also provide manpower to the school, and it is known as school IT administrator. Cloud-based model, pay as you use model means the PSPM model which we use. Need good internet connect. It's a complete cloud-based. It's a complete online solution. They are also tied up with some of the SMS vendors, almost all the major vendors in that particular area. So their SMS system includes regular updates, and they are having Tally integration also. As we commit that we are having only the Tally integration, they are also having the Tally integration. The Tally integration is only one way. That means they just take the data from the system and export it to the import it to the Tally system. They are having the barcode system also, like we promised. They are also having the barcode system for the library management system. Even the school wants, they are having the RFID card based system for entire process. As we say that barcode RFID card integration is not possible in our system with all the modules, but they are having it.
You are applied for NIIT, was it?
Yes, this one is for NIIT. So NIIT can, they are highly customizable, and it depends clients to clients on their paying capability. If the client is really good, so they can provide you the full services along with manpower, along with full customization, and their customization is highly advanced customization. Okay, barcode integration, RFID card integration, smart card integration. Smart card integration means you can do each and every transaction with a particular card. So they are highly customized and they are one of the toughest competitor. But in some reasons, due to lack of manpower services or some remote areas, they are not being able to give proper service. But their product is good, their customization level is high, their product is stable. Okay, their product is stable. It's a stable product. They are having Android app. They are having Android app, email facility mainly all the major things like daily reports, student reports. If you want, they can send you the other reports also, like inventory reports, any kind of report you can get from the emails. And payment gateway, they are also having the payment gateway. Extra Marks, one of our toughest competitor in other one of the toughest competitor because they are providing the solution at half of our price. Other products also for our digital content, they are also providing it at a cost of almost half of our cost. We are providing it at 7,000, they are providing it at 2,500. So they are the toughest. Right now they have started pitching for the ERP. So,
Carry on.
Carry on.
Continue.
in some places they have already given 2,500 also.
Carry on.
So right now they have started with ERP solution. Okay, their planning is started from 2014 and initially they have started pitching it in the 2015. So in 2015 they have started pitching ERP as an introductory. No price confirmation. They have just started pitching. If the schools really want to get the price, then they quote a price of 4 to 5 rupees. If we are pitching, I lost some deals due to Extra Marks. Recently I lost a deal where we pitch 9 rupees, we pitch it 6 rupees. Again we pitch 7 rupees, they pitch it at 4 rupees and ultimately they provide it free. So they are the toughest because they are like us. Also, they are clubbing their products. Actually, the main reason is their product is not stable. They are tied up with some third-party vendor for their product. Their product is developed by Odoo. It is an American-based company, open source, and they are right now. This company is focusing on pushing their product in the company by any means whether it's a free model, it's a trial model, because they are clubbing their product, they are just trying to enter into the market. So Extra Marks basically if some schools really want an ERP solution, so they are, or if they want to purchase, so they are right now their price is from 4 to 6 rupees. Okay, they have don't any upfront model. These are the snapshots. Generally, they have created icons, all icons in a particular page, and click. This is the all of the these are the functions of an open source program. When we see an open source program, you will see most of the icons on a particular dashboard. All the icons. So they have done. Because their product is directly connected to open source Odoo, so these are the functions. And none of for your kind information, only 10% of them are working. Okay, so here to crack this, that's right. So to crack the deal in with Extra Mark, you have to sit along with that competitor in that particular scheme. If possible, try to get a demo along with the Extra Mark. Just, sir, this is my product, just call in and see both of the demos, then you decide. Then there is no any other option left for him. This is the best way. Otherwise, price, if you go for the price, you will lose the deal. One of the toughest but simplest, Jointica. So Jointica is a Mathura based company. They are simple because their product is a fixed product. no customization at all. Okay. And toughest, because they sell it at 10,000 on a full-time basis. There are no 1 year license, 2 year license. Means in my region,
For lifetime.
for lifetime, they will give you the product, they will give you the activation key, they will activate it. Even you format the computer, even you lose all the data, you ask them, okay, they will on TeamViewer, they will again install it, they will put the code and it will again reactivate it. And but there is one factor, why they are gaining the grounds, because if you need a service, you just call them, within 1 day they will reach, they will charge only 1,000.
How much?
1,000 per day.
पैसे चले जाते हैं।
जैसे जाए, it is their issue. But they charge 1,000 and they reach the school on time.
जो 15 minutes per hour.
So these are the different variants right now they are having. This is the micro module, like our Lite, basic, premium, and they are also having the online module also. Online module is 30,000 rupees per annum. And it is one of the major player in the upper segment. Upper segment means quality product with quality price. So this company is really the toughest one. Genuinely the toughest one, because their product is stable. First, they are having all the modules required by the school, most of the modules. They are having the app, and they are 15 years of trust. They are 15 years old company. So some of the schools, prominent schools, are using it for 5 and 10 years. Okay, so they are old in the education sector, in the premium sector. So their charges are also very high. In some schools, they goes up to 40-60 rupees. But recently we encountered them in Chhattisgarh, MGM school with 5,000 students. We put a deal value of 6 rupees PSPM. Still we lose. They scaled down to 4 rupees. So everybody was in the competition list. Surprising, but they are good. They have some service issues because their manpower is very less as compared to us. The team size is also small, but whatever the team size they have, they are a really dedicated person, because with a single person they are handling 2-3 states. But their service is little bit deteriorated nowadays, because their clients are increasing but manpower is not. Computer Aid is a local based company in Ranchi. They are providing services to Tata, some local big giants, oil companies, mines companies, but they are capturing around 50% of all the big schools of Ranchi. All the big schools, missionaries, chains, they are captured 50%. Why? Because their only drawback is their product is 16-bit system. 16-bit, as you all of know, it's a DOS-based system, so it never gets crashed, it never hangs. Okay, and DOS-based is a very fast system because it never hangs. There is no any UI interface, so it's fast and it is easy to work in any computer, even in old computers.
Last 3 minutes.
Geographical areas covered: Bihar, Patna, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarpur, Gaya, Ranchi, Jharkhand in Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad and Bokaro. Salesforce in my territory, NIT, Bihar 4, Jharkhand 3, NTEP 2 person, including the implementation team. Guru Seva, they are having 4 person. including the implementation team, one in Jharkhand. Computer aid, they are having only 1 person in Bihar and 3 person in Jharkhand. In extra marks, they are right now having 4 person.
गौरव थोड़ा सा इधर आ जाएगा, उत्तर सर आ रहा है इसमें. हाँ ठीक.
So in NIIT, they are having the PSPM model as we discussed, 10 to 20 rupees also, outright purchase 1.5 lakh to 3 lakh depending on the school size. Implementation 20,000 to up to 1 lakh. And tax 5 to 40 rupees. Outright, there is no any outright purchase. Nowadays they have included one additional 2,000 rupees per visit. Guru Seva, PSPM 3 rupees, outright 30 rupees. 1,000 rupees per visit. Computer education, they are only one model outright, it costs 30 to 50,000 rupees. Extra marks 4 to 6 rupees. Right now it's free. It's a product comparison based on 1,000 student PSPM model. Strategy to counter our trust name and product value. Because our services are good, we are a trusted company in the education sector. So this is the main factor. Mapping with the sales team for maximum demos. Our service is one of the best in the industry. As we know, in education domain, we are the best company who provide best services. Our ERP team is bigger than any other ERP company right now. We are the one of the largest, you can say. In Appland, there is only hardly 20 to 25 people are working. In Jointeka, 6 people are working. In NIIT, their domain is different, but they are for a specific ERP. There is no any division. So, as a whole, if we assume we are the largest ERP company in the education sector right now. If you consider FEDNA, there is only 16 people. Some of them are visiting, including the CEO, MD, and all. It hardly costs 10 people in FEDNA. And 20-25.